charged in connection to Maleah Davis's disappearance. And today we heard from his mother for the first time, saying that she has specifically avoided asking her son if he knows where Maleah is. Cameras were not allowed in court, but we caught a slew of attorneys, Maleah's mother, grandmother, and extended family all walking in for a very long hearing. And it was during this hearing where we heard several new details regarding the 4-year-old's disappearance. Craig Davis, Maleah's father, was in court. He claimed he tried to see his daughter on Friday, May 3rd, the night Darian Vince claims she was kidnapped. Davis says he and his sister went to check in on Maleah, but when they got to the family apartment, they say Vince would not let them see her, telling them she had the flu. When they asked if they could just get a look at her sleeping, Vince told them no and would not let them inside. Police say about an hour later, Vince claims he, Maleah, and his 1-year-old son then all got into a car to head to the airport, and it was during that trip when Vince claims they were attacked and kidnapped by 3 Hispanic men. Maleah's mother, Brittany Bowens, testified, saying after Vince was found at a Sugar Land hospital the next night, he gave her 2 different stories about how he got there. Police say surveillance video shows him being dropped off in the family car that was found abandoned in Missouri City days later. And for the first time, we heard from Vince's mother. She says she's only spoken to her son twice by phone since his arrest on May 11th. She hid from our cameras outside the courtroom, but inside court, she said in those phone calls she has not asked her son for Maleah's whereabouts. She says her son's defense attorney advised her not to bring it up. We reached out to that attorney, Tom Burton, who tells us her statement is not accurate. He also asked the judge to be removed from the case today because he says the family has not paid him. And today's long hearing was a CPS hearing because of a gag order. We're not allowed to share any other information that came from this state investigation.